Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We invite you to watch the English Chinese News or Essential Television channel of Upper Province. On March 21st, Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính received Mr. Philip Tabarot, Minister in charge of transport, during his visit to Vietnam. Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính believes that this visit will promote transport cooperation between Vietnam and France, bring about concrete results, and contribute to further promoting the new comprehensive strategic partnership established during the official visit to France in October 2024 by General Secretary and President Tô Lâm. The Prime Minister and Mr. Philip Tabarot highly appreciated the good results that the two countries have achieved in the field of transport in recent times, which is also a field with a long history in the relationship between the two countries with the North-South Railway, a number of airports in Vietnam that are still being operational. Minister Tabarot emphasized that France has strengths in the field of transportation, affirming that France and French enterprises are always ready to cooperate with Vietnam, especially in supporting and cooperating in implementing strategic transport infrastructure projects, as well as incorporating in human resource training, exchanging experiences, learning from each other, and having better quality products and services to serve the people connecting the two countries. According to Vietnam Food Business Market Report 2024, by the end of 2024, the number of F&B stores in Vietnam is estimated to exceed more than 323,000 stores, an increase of 1.8% over the same period last year. Revenue in 2024 reached about 688,800 billion dong, up 16.6% compared to 2023. Based on research results of nearly 4,500 diners, reports show that people's spending will not decrease, but will prioritize good quality options at affordable prices. Unlike the trend of 2 years after the pandemic, 52.3% of Vietnamese people now prioritize spending less than 33,000 dong per drink, showing a trend of optimizing purchase when shopping. This trend will continue in 2025, having the F&B industry in Vietnam continue to grow above 9.6%. The Ministry of Industry and Trade has just issued document number 1839 on notification of the Minister's Directive on Management to ensure balance between supply and demand of rice in the face of developments in the world and domestic markets. The Ministry of Industry and Trade requires relevant agencies to strengthen inspection and supervision of distribution system, strictly handle violations, and avoid price hikes that affect the interests of domestic consumers. The Ministry of Industry and Trade also directs rice exporters to strictly implement regulations on maintaining minimum circulating reserves, ensuring that when the market fluctuates, there is still enough supply to serve domestic consumption. In addition to export target, protecting the interests of farmers must be a top priority. Localities and enterprises are required to purchase rice at reasonable prices, reflecting the true value of the product, avoiding price squeezes that affect farmers' income. In addition, the minister noted the need to improve rice quality, promoting sustainable production, apply modern processing and preservation technology, and expand high-value export markets. The Đồng Nai Provincial Federation of Labor has just deployed a plan to organize activities in response to a month of action on occupational safety and hygiene in 2025 in the province. The Provincial Federation of Labor coordinated with Department of Home Affairs to visit and give gifts to union members and workers who had occupational accidents, serious illnesses, and were in difficult family circumstances. Coordinate with departments and branches to organize inspection teams to monitor the limitation and respond to the month of action on occupational safety and health and a number of units and enterprises with high risk of occupational accident and diseases. The Provincial Federation of Labor proposes to organize activity for the Workers' Month and the Month of Action on Occupational Safety and Health, creating an impression and spreading influence throughout the entire trade union system and society. Focus on resolving, recommending, thinking, and wishing of union members and workers. The Workers' Month and the Month of Action on Occupational Safety and Health will take place from April 20th and May 31st, 2025. Currently, measles epidemics tend to increase in many localities. In response, Gami District has implemented many measures to minimize the number of cases, especially among young children and those who have not been fully vaccinated. Sungmi Kindergarten, located in Sungmi Commune, Gami District, has nearly 500 students. The school regularly reminds teachers to ensure personal hygiene, maintain a clean classroom environment, and provide proper nutrition to strengthen children's immune system. Additionally, the school actively raises awareness among parents about measles, its prevention, and the importance of vaccination. Ms. Huỳnh Thị Hoàng Hảo, a teacher at Sungmi Kindergarten, stated that before entering the classroom, children are required to wash their hands with soaps. Teachers also guide them on measles prevention at home and work with the school health unit to identify infected children and prevent the disease from spreading. Ms. Yoon Thị Hoài, vice principal of Sungmi Kindergarten, emphasized that the school has taken proactive measures to prevent measles by involving all staff, teachers, and employees. The school collaborates with the local health station to review children who have not received full measles vaccination and works with the homeroom teachers to encourage parents to ensure their children receive all necessary doses. Additionally, the school developed meal plans that meet food safety and hygiene standards. Gami District has reported 64 measles cases, and the risk of an outbreak remains. District health sector has intensified public awareness efforts, providing information on transmission routes, systems, and preventive measures. Local health stations have been directed to work with schools to organize vaccination programs. Dr. Nguyễn Quang Cường, head of Sungmi Commune Health Station, stated that Health Station has partners with local authorities and relevant agencies to review vaccination records for children aged 6 months to under 9 months and from 1 to 10 years old. They also collaborate with kindergartens, primary schools, and village leaders to ensure full vaccination coverage. The most effective and sustainable way to prevent measles is timely and complete vaccination, especially for preschool children.